Okay, so get off of here. Ma'am, I'm trying to...
I'm watching you. Attack her.
Go out of here.
Excuse me, I work here, ma'am.
Well, I need
Get up in her back, please.
Okay, wait. What just happened, white woman? Why are you screaming like that? Stop it. Let's get into this video and break it down and see why she's screaming like an idiot. Welcome to Straddled Events. On this channel, we bring you the truth. Sometimes the truth is quite ugly, unbearable, and you just don't want to deal with it. But on this channel, you're going to get it anyway. We deal with controversial and very highly opinionated topics. It is called straddled events because most people are one foot in and the other foot out. Meaning, you are straddling between the fence of good versus evil, right versus wrong. And on this channel, we're going to tell you to do better. Let's go.
Okay, so get off of here. Ma'am, I'm trying to...
I'm watching you. Attack her.
Go out of here.
Excuse me, I work here, ma'am.
Well, I need
Get up in her back, please.
Really, Karen? So let's break this down. What happened was Karen must have thought that she was on her own private jet instead of a commercial airline. So she decided she want to throw her arm all the way across the aisle, blocking people from walking up and down the aisle. And after they're asking her to, ma'am, please move, ma'am, please, then the woman just pushed by her and she want to scream bloody murder like somebody is killing her. And these types of Karen are the ones that are dangerous, because these types of Karen would be the one to call the police on you and send you to jail because they are the damn victim when they were the ones who started the entire situation. So you have to be very careful of these Karen. I wish a Karen would with some crap like this. This is the reason why y'all get kicked the shit out of. I don't promote violence over here on this channel, but y'all need to stop. Do better with yourself. Damn. Quit getting triggered, Karen. Do better next time. Damn. That airline stewardess face is like she's dealing with a child. Get up and go to the front.